Nose blackheads removal satisfying deep pore cleaning transformation, slow, steady, and precise, every movement controlled, every pore carefully cleaned. Today's treatment is a nose blackheads removal, with satisfying deep pore cleaning transformation, not rushed, not forced, just a smooth, continuous flow. The calm before extraction, before the process begins. The skin is prepared, everything is quiet, still, waiting for the first movement. Step 1, gentle cleansing. A soft cleanse removes surface oil. The skin becomes fresh, ready for the process. Step 2, soft steam. Steam is applied gently. The pores begin to open. The buildup softens quietly. Step 3, first extraction. The first pore is pressed, a small release, then another, and another. The flow begins. Step 4, satisfying continuous flow. Now the rhythm builds. Pore after pore, blackheads are removed, in a smooth sequence. No sudden movement, just a steady, calming process. Step 5, even surface cleaning. All pores are cleaned evenly. The surface becomes uniform. No visible buildup remains. Step 6, skin relaxation. After extraction, the skin relaxes, calmness returns. Final transformation, before, clogged pores. Uneven texture, after, clean pores. Smooth and calm skin, a satisfying deep pore cleaning transformation. Final message, sometimes, the most satisfying results come from the calmest process. If you enjoyed this satisfying nose blackheads removal, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. For more relaxing deep pore cleaning and skincare transformations, stay connected.